Hi everyone, today we're going to draw Badgerclops from the cartoon Mao Mao. Take your marker and follow along with me. So it's going to be easy to draw Badgerclops. We're going to start with the nose first. So I'm just going to draw a little nose there, an egg shape lying on his side. And right beneath that, I'm just going to draw a smile. So I'm just going to draw the top part of the smile, and I'm going to draw a bottom part there as well. Then I'm going to connect the two lines with a round line on both sides. There we go. So, and then we're going to draw some teeth, some whiskers, both sides. There we go. And a chin. I'm just going to draw 3 little lines down like that. Then I'm going to draw a little V. I'm first going to draw 2 lines down, about that size up, and then you're going to take the lines back like this. So you have 2 little V's, and right in this V you're going to draw a closed eye, just a curvy line like this. And now we're going to draw the top of the head. You're going to do that. There we go. And then you're going to draw a pointy ear, and on this side another small pointy ear. Good. There we go. The side of the head. Nice and round, because he's a bit overweight. Nice and round. There we go. Perfect. Now I want you to draw a belt. We're going to continue down from the head, down, and we're going to make a round of a curve on top, and we're going to take another line down. Good. And now we're going to draw a square shape. This is going to be a pocket for a little bag that's attached to the belt. There we go. There's one bag. Great. Now we're going to draw a shoulder. You're going to draw a shoulder like this, just round, and then we're going to draw an arm. So you can follow me. You can draw a little arm, a little line out, and we're going to do the same thing here, but we're not going to draw the shoulder. We're just going to draw an arm like this. It looks like 2 wings standing out. Good. And then we're going to bring the arm in. And on this side you're going to do the same thing. Bring it in, take it around, go up, there. Same thing on this side, there. You're going to make a little line out because that's the upper arm. Good. And we're going to draw some fingers, some square shaped fingers, 4 of them. There we go. And on this side we're going to draw maybe, it doesn't have to look the same because this is sort of a mechanical arm. Great. Now in this mechanical arm, I want you to draw a curvy line like this, all the way around. And then beneath that, go back to the head and connect it to the head. There we go. And let's make a little button there, just for interesting sake. And just a little block there on top. And now here on the shoulder, you're just going to take it back like this. Now for the arm. Draw a zigzag line, and just a further bit away another zigzag line following the previous line. On this side we're going to do the same thing, a zigzag line connected to that joint, and another zigzag line and connect it. And then here on top let's draw another little line. There we go. And there we go. There we have these couple of lines. Let's color it in. From this hand we're going to draw a pocket again, another bag like this. Do the bottom of the bag like a square shape, and now the belt will continue because it's going to link everything up, and you're going to draw a belt there. The legs, you're going to draw a line down, and on this side you're going to draw another one down, so it's going to be quite far apart because he's nice and round. Good. And now for a leg, I'm going to draw, first let's make a mark. I'll make a mark like this. You take the leg down, and then you continue with it flat, so it's a small foot, and connect it back there. This side do the same. It doesn't have to look exactly the same. You're going to take it around, over the top, connect it there. Great. And then there's a few spots. There's one big, because this part is going to be brown, and let's make another line there as well, and then maybe let's draw a few pieces of hair. There we go. Good. And I can color in the feet as well. And there we go. And there's Badgerclops. You can look at my thumbnail picture and you can see where I placed all the shadows and match the colors with your crayons, your markers or your colored pencils. And I'm sure Badgerclops is going to look absolutely great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. I'll see you again. Bye.